Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about something called map, which is similar to filter. If you take a look at the filter syntax, the keyword filter and the arguments, a function and a sequence of value. Okay, so what happened in the filter? The sequence of data which will applied for each and every element of the function, and it will return true or false. So that is what happening when you do the filter. But the same scenario, if you're going for a map, let's talk about map. So what map exactly is doing? Map function returns a list of results after applying the given function to each and every item of a given sequence of data. Okay, for example, if I have a function which will multiply the number with 2, so the same logic will apply to the all the numbers available in the sequence. Okay, let me give you the simple first of all syntax. So this is a syntax for map. Map and the first parameter function and a sequence. This function will apply for each and every element in the sequence. Okay, let's start with the map and then we'll move on to how we are going to use the map inside the lambda function. Okay, so what we are going to do. So okay, let's do the um, mm, multiply. Okay, let's doubling the number. I have a range of number. So in the function, what I'm going to do is whatever input is coming to the method, I'm going to addition to the same number. For example, um, addition, and I have a number here. So and return num plus num. Okay, so if 10 is comes as an input in this method, it will return 20, 10 plus 10. It is nothing but doubling the number. Okay, so let's have a sequence of data. We have a function ready, which is worth nothing but the first parameter. Let's have a sequence numbers. So I'm going to have a sequence of number range from 1 to 10. So 1 is the beginning point and 10 is the end value. Okay, this number contains 1 to 9. Okay, or else, okay, 1 to 9 is fine. So what exactly is happening is when you use a map, let's try that result. Result equal and the keyword map, and what is the first parameter, which is nothing but the method name, and second, what is the sequence of data numbers. Okay, let's call it as a numbers. Okay, so what will happen here? So it will iterate each and every data from 1 to 10. So first 1 will comes to the method and it will come, the input is 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the first result is 2 and the second number comes into the place. Second is 2. So 2 will come to this method and 2 plus 2 4. The similar way, if 10 is comes to this place, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So if you have a 10 numbers in this particular variable, everything will be applied with the same method. I mean same logic. Let's print the data. Print, and I'm going to return the data as a list of result. Save it. So make sure everything is correct. I have a method which is ready to return the data, and I have a range of data. I mean range of input values, and I use the map function, which will take the a function as a first parameter and second as a sequence of data. Let's run this. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. See, look at the result. Our input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. Since I'm putting endpoint is 10, it's taking up to 10. So up to 9. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, and 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8, and 5 plus 5, 10. So the same logic applies to all the numbers. Okay. If you're not clear, if you're confused about this range, you can simply do like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is again the same kind of data. So let's save it and run this. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 20. So the result is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 4 8. So this is the method which will process each and every elements. Okay, so looks good, right? Okay, let's see how we are going to apply the same logic into a lambda function. Okay, let's have a result1 as a variable name, and I'm going to use a map. Inside the map we are going to use a lambda function, and first the variable name x and the expression x plus x, and comma, what is the sequence of data numbers. Now let's print the result1. Save it. So the same logic written in just 2 lines of code. So map is my method and lambda x, this is my function, and this is my sequence of data. So let's see whether to return the same response. For differentiate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some line difference here. Okay, let's clear the console. Okay, so now I'm going to run this. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, the same data, the same outcome actually. But the way how we are doing, that is different. The first time we write a method and we have a sequence of data, and then we processed it with the help of simple map function. And again the second, we are simply again using the same method, but inside the method we are using lambda functions instead of normal function. Okay, just as I said in the earlier video, just try with a different kind of sequence, so you will get to know the things better. Okay, in the next video we are going to discuss something about called reduce function. Okay, uh, let's meet each other in the next video. Thank you.